Paul Golick from MMI. This 2012 Mitsubishi ML 3015 NX 60XF, the next generation of lasers from Mitsubishi, is a wonderful investment. This laser checks all the boxes: speed, cut capacity, reliability, and cost effectiveness. The series features a 6 kilowatt configuration, agile Z-axis with arc evade, diamond path technology, which provides beam stability at speeds up to 2,360 inches per minute, high reflection, low distortion mirrors, one-piece cast frame, M700 touchscreen control, Windows XP operating system, full side covers, which provide greater safety for your workforce. What stands out most about Mitsubishi's lasers, more importantly this particular model, is the X-Flow R-Series resonator. The innovative cross-flow design consumes up to 90% less than traditional fast flow systems, giving this particular laser the lowest cost of ownership on the market. This particular machine has very low hours relative to its age. It's coming out of a very clean facility. It had regular scheduled maintenance performed exclusively by Mitsubishi and is available for inspection.